Texture replicators. Texture replicators are a great way to scatter textures on a surface. Shading Nerd 2.0 provide more discoverable and easier way to use this Modo feature via quick access replicate pop-up. If your scene already has your point source, you can simply choose it from a list. But if you just decided that you want to replicate your texture, you can add point source items from the menu below Add Particle Generator. You have three options: Add Shader-based Surface Particle Generator, Item-based Surface Particle Generator, or Curve Particle Generator. For all those options, all necessary connections and placement will be done for you. Last bit on your end is just to specify the base object on your particle item and then adjust texture replication settings on your original texture layer, which will show up in the pop-up as well.